John Bitas.
This is a serious matter, a bipartisan matter. A heavy tragedy has struck Kerala. The death toll has gone up and we are fearing more deaths, sir. 4 villages have been cut off and there have been coordinated efforts. The Chief Minister is camping in Wayanad. As you know, Wayanad is a picturesque place but mountain plateau. So we really want the indulgence of the government of India, especially the help of the ministries like Defense, Home and Finance. Already there are amounts pending in disaster fund.
Thank you.
So we want the military to send their dispatches to Kerala,
Please.
the finance to lend their hand to Kerala,
Please.
and all
You made your
possible
point. Thank you.
assistance to
Thank
Kerala
you.
be provided.
Thank you,
sir.
Santosh Kumar P.
There are already 50 deaths are confirmed. It is likely to rise up to 300 or 400.
Unfortunate.
So it's so unfortunate.
Painful.
I don't want to talk much on this issue. I would like to request through you, sir, to declare this as a national disaster, number one.
Please.
Number two, to include Kerala in the list of, there is a new scheme announced by the Honorable Finance Minister. Bihar, Assam, Himachal and Uttarakhand are part of that. So I would like to request the government to include Kerala in it.
On this incident, please.
See,
Please.
Kerala is your land also, sir.
Okay, please.
It's the land of everyone.
Yes, you have made a point. You have
So
made a good point.
compensation to those who are died.
Okay.
These are the three
Yes.
demands.
Go.
Please understand.
Prime Minister of India and everybody, this early morning, they consulted our Chief
Yes.
Minister and everything. But now the issue is no money with the Kerala government. At least immediately, you have to release some money to move all this one.
The bodies of more than 25 bodies are found 40 kilometers downstream and a different district in Calicut. So you should understand the gravity of the situation. 500 families are stranded over there and more deaths are reporting every minute. And it is not, can you have 2 minutes to express our grievance? And the government is not ready to listen. We have the first-hand information than people sitting on the tertiary bench.
JB Matherisam.
Sir, the Wayanad tragedy, the landslide, that devastation cannot be measured at this moment now. It is so vast, it is so devastating that 43 deaths, that's from babies, little babies to the elderlies have passed away, and even families have swept. Families, it's not just one from family, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have news of that. We have first-hand information. So our request is the government should immediately declare this as a national disaster, provide 5,000 crore package immediately. Sir, 1 second,
Yes.
Sir, let me. A bridge has collapsed. A bridge has collapsed. That bridge has to be made now temporary
Please,
bridge to be
take your seat
consulted.
now.
NDRF
Have I made a mistake in giving you floor?
and helicopter
Take your seat now.
immediately, sir.
Nothing will go on record now, please.
Sir, this is a very painful day for every Kerala, sir. Very painful. See, please consider us. We are praying for the assistance from the union government. Sir, we are
What
praying.
are you saying?
Sir, we are praying. Sir,
Don't make
sir,
a speech.
father-
You are not aware.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
Sir,
people
sir,
were in action.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
sir, the first
Chief
thing,
Minister, Prime
sir,
Minister have been in action.
Sir, rescue
Don't
is
do
the-
this. You are not aware what is happening.
Yes, sir.
No, don't make it political.
Never.
You are not aware what is
Never,
happening. I am aware.
Sir, I am
fully aware.
Sir, I am trying to express my feelings, sir. Please ensure proper rescue process and please assist us for the rescue.
Okay.
Proper rescue.
Point well taken. When I came, even before that, I was aware of it. I updated myself, and I found it very gratifying. Once again, I found it very gratifying that Honorable Chief Minister was very active. The Prime Minister was active. The agencies are in coordination. They are doing everything possibly can be done. No time has been lost in this, and therefore, leader of the House.
सभापति जी, जैसा कि अभी यहाँ चर्चा शुरू हुई और सभी हमारे माननीय सदस्यों ने एक तरीके से अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की और उन्होंने जो वहाँ घटना घटी है और जो त्रासदी हुई है, जो एक बड़ी त्रासदी है, उसके प्रति उन्होंने कंसर्न शो किया है। मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह जो त्रासदी है, ये सिर्फ केरल की त्रासदी नहीं है, सारा देश इससे द्रवित है। और यहाँ भी हाउस के सभी लोग, इस पक्ष के उस पक्ष के सभी पार्टियों के सभी द्रवित हैं और सभी दुखी हैं कि यह घटना घटी है, नेचुरल कैलामिटी है। भारत सरकार भी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रोएक्टिव होकर के जो भी केरल में राहत कार्य के लिए आवश्यक है वो कर रहे हैं और वो किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की तरफ से ये एश्योरेंस देता हूं कि जो भी ज़रूरत होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी। हमारी उद्वेलना, हमारा उद्वेलित होना ये स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन यह इस तरह की घटना को एड्रेस करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर है। अभी इस वक्त जो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है वो इस बात की है कि बॉडीज़ को निकाला जाए, जो बचने की स्थिति में है उनको बचाया जाए, हेल्थ के दृष्टि से हम वहाँ पर काम करें, इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस सिस्टम को हम एक्टिवेट करें, वो सारी चीज़ें की जा रही हैं और आपकी भावनाओं के साथ हम सब जुड़े हैं, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं। फिर से मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चलने वाली सरकार प्रोएक्टिव है, प्रो रिस्पॉन्सिव है और उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। मैं ब्रिटास जी की भावनाओं का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं और आप जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं, सिर्फ उद्वेलित होने से काम नहीं चलता। हमें वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट इट टू इन एक्शन, एंड इफ देयर इज एनी सजेशन दैट वी हैव टू इंप्रूव समथिंग इन आवर एक्शन, प्लीज डू दैट। वी आर टुगेदर, वी आर नॉट डिफरेंट, हम एक से जैसे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं सरकार की तरफ से हाउस को और हाउस के साथ साथ देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि वहां कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी जाएगी और उसको पूरा किया जाएगा।
Honorable members have raised their concern, and leader of the house has already made the position clear. Government will definitely, if the chair directs and if the house agrees, will try to come back with the details of the incident.
Can you take your seat, or you want me to that you should be out of the house? Why are you rising every time? No, please. If you are ready, you may leave.
Any natural calamity is a serious concern for everyone, and as the honorable leader of the house has already mentioned, I just want to make a small clarification, because two of the honorable members have said that central government has not released funds. Funds are always placed in advance in the beginning of the year with the state government, which is the resources pulled together by the state government and central government under SDRF. This is not the time to play politics. This is a serious matter.
Okay.
So, sir.
1 second. Again you are interrupting. Why? Don't allow the minister to say something. Listen to him. Bear with us. Understand, digest, and then proceed.
The NDRF, the SDRF, the Disaster Response Force, the Central Armed Police Forces, the Indian military forces, they are already been activated and already on the job, working on the ground, and they are already there, and to connect with them, Indian Air Force has been activated. Now the issue is about immediate relief and rescue. Sir, in any disaster, the first step is relief and rescue. Then comes the recovery and reconstruction and rehabilitation. So we have to go by step. Right now is the time for rescue and relief. This is the most immediate requirement in any natural calamities, wherever it occurs. So, sir, my only request is to echo with the sentiments raised by all the members and the honorable leader of the house, that government is doing everything, whatever is to be done with the coordination with the state government, but I will ask the Home Ministry to come out with a detailed report if the House wants as soon as possible.
There is a Disaster Management Act 2005. That act has a very strong mechanism, right from district disaster management, state disaster management, national disaster management. And one of our distinguished members is Jairam Ramesh. While the bill was being taken into consideration in 2005, he made very elaborate submissions. I would urge the members, there is a mechanism in place. Once you activate that mechanism, things automatically move in tandem. And it is a case where even during the night, all who are to act are acting.